Good morning. I'm on my way to Pilates. I need to leave now because I like to get there 10 minutes early, but oh my gosh, it's a beautiful sunrise today. Just love this new space. Okay, so here's a quick outfit because I broke that mirror, my standing mirror. So I have the set from Gymshark on. It's literally my favorite. I think it's like their Flex collection. Love this. I love this part right here. Put you guys here so you can see. And then I have my Lululemon belt bag, and then this from H&M that I featured. This headband from Amazon. I love it because it has the grip. So I really don't even need to do anything with my hair besides put it on and put this grip on, which I love. And then that new L'Oreal tinted hyaluronic serum. Chef's kiss, because I put that on. A little bit of my brows, mascara, and a lip, and we're ready to go. I'm gonna make myself a pre-workout first, and we are off. Before I go to Pilates, I do want to take my vitamins because I have been really trying to stay consistent and get back to my routine, and one of them is by taking my vitamins. And so lately I've been taking the Ritual. This is the Essential for Women. It's a multivitamin 18 plus vitamin here, and the reason why I've been taking this is because I like the fact that this is so quick and easy to take. These capsules here just make it easy to take, and they break down, they're designed to break down in the stomach. So I like that because I find that some vitamins that I take, sometimes they start breaking down in my mouth and it leaves like a weird aftertaste, and it just doesn't feel right. And so I started taking these ones here because these are clinically backed vitamins. They're supposed to help you kind of fill in the gaps with your nutritional needs. Vegan, they're non-GMO vitamins. They also are stomach acid resistant, which I have noticed a big difference when I take these. Like I mentioned before, I don't have that weird taste in my mouth. They also have like a mint coat, so it's easy to take when you're taking them. And I like that it has these markers to kind of help you figure out where you are. So day 1 is here, 15:30, just that helps you know if you're staying on track with taking them. Also just led by a clinical study by a university, so I just feel like they've done their research in here to make sure that what you're getting is really good, clean ingredients. So for the month of July, you guys will get 30% off if you use the link in the description bar, because this video is sponsored by Ritual. Thank you, Ritual, for sponsoring today's video. I have been loving taking these. These just have made it so much easier for me, and I'm not somebody who likes to take my vitamins. Like, that's something that I'm working on. That's one of my goals of really just getting back on track. So I need to take my vitamins, and that's something that's very important to me. So quick and easy. Okay, so got my vitamins, got my water. It's time to get my workout in. This was such a good workout today. It's probably because I haven't worked out in a few weeks, but this felt amazing. Just came back from European Wax Center. I went and got a wax because it's been a while, and before I used to be able to do it at home, but because it's been so long, I just know I would chicken out. So I went and got a wax. It feels so much better now. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but I was like looking at possibly getting a wax pass again, because I used to have one. But when I looked at the prices, I think for the 12, it's like almost 600, and I feel like that's similar to the price of laser. So I'm gonna look at the prices and compare them and see what they're looking like, because I'm sick and tired of shaving and I'm sick and tired of waxing myself. But okay, so I'm going to Trader Joe's now. I'm gonna get a few things for the week, because this week I am gonna be pushing myself to work outside the home, of course, depending on how many meetings and stuff I have for work. I think Trader Joe's is that way, right? Yeah. So I am gonna just pick up a few things. I have a couple groceries, but I'm gonna be planning my meals this week and my lunches, especially since if on the days that I do work outside of my home, I need to pack my lunches ahead of time, because if not, I don't want to have to buy takeout. So we're gonna head to Trader Joe's. I also want to get some peonies. I love the smell of peonies. They're my favorite. Well, they're my favorite note and fragrances. I don't know if they're my favorite flower per se. I would say I'm more of a roses gal, type of gal. So I am back home. Let's do a mini Trader Joe's haul. I really didn't get that much stuff, but let's do one anyways. So I did get some peonies and some eucalyptus, and I feel like it smells good. Okay, so I got some ramen. I've never tried these before, these instant ramen from Trader Joe's, and I've been craving ramen this week for some reason, so I got 2 of those. I got the chicken flavor. Got my favorite, these coconut waters here. I get these all the time. I really love these. So then we have some veggies. I'm thinking I might make a smoothie, so I got some spinach to make some green smoothies. I got mint, rosemary, because I'm gonna make some steak for dinner tonight, bananas for smoothies this week, yogurt. I'd like to get the vanilla bean, the coconut, and the mango, but I already have some coconut in the fridge, so I got some vanilla bean ones, and then I got the mango Greek yogurt. I got some ginger because I've been really bloated lately, and so whenever I feel bloated, I like to drink mint, ginger, tea. So I'm actually gonna make some just ginger tea with a little bit of lemon and honey. So that'll help with bloating. And then I bought the mint to also make mint tea. Got some asparagus, that's for tonight's dinner. Some tomatoes, broccoli, some green onion, a cucumber for salads. This week I'm gonna make salad. I got frozen pizza. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta put this in the fridge now. I got frozen pizza. I really like the chicken and barbecue one. I did get these chocolate croissants, or I think You know, in French they call them pain au chocolat. I got these. I'm gonna try them sometime this week or next week. Berries for smoothies and snacks. I saw this and I thought it was interesting. This is a cacio e pepe. It's like cheese and pepper pasta. It's one of my favorite pasta dishes when I go to an Italian restaurant. So I decided to give it a try. My classic vegetable fried rice. I love to make that with chicken, and then I saw this teriyaki chicken, so I'm gonna try making that on a days when I don't really feel like cooking and I want like a lazy dinner. Then just some tortillas to make some wraps, and then just, oh my gosh, salmon. I got chicken tenders for salads and wraps, and then tonight I'm gonna make some steak for dinner, so I got some fillets.